So salary includes 10,800 paid to Mr. Balan. Balan lives outside India. That is okay. If you are taking any services from an employee who lives outside India, that is okay. But you must deduct tax, no? You must deduct tax. Only then those expenses will be allowable. But here, salary is your expense. You are paying it to Mr. Balan who lives outside India. And no tax has been deducted at source. Tax is not deducted at source. This is your mistake. So you will not be allowed. This salary expense will not be allowed, which is paid to Mr. Balan. Why it is not allowed? The reason is because no tax has been deducted at source. That means from 10,800 tax is not given to the government. Therefore, this expense will not be allowed. Even though it is related to business. Salary is given to Mr. Balan. Salary is your business expense. No. Even though it is related to your business, still you will not get the deduct. You will not be allowed for the expenses. It will be disallowed. Why? Because tax is not being deducted at source. Write down. Add expenses disallowed me. First item, salary paid to Mr. Balan. Salary paid to Mr. Balan. Write down in the bracket. No tax has been deducted at source. No tax has been deducted at source. Okay. No tax is deducted at source. In the inner column, 10,800. In the inner column, 10,800. Next, depreciation in wide income tax rules 10,000. Depreciation wide income tax rules means depreciation allowable 10,000. When it is depreciation wide income tax rules means according to income tax act rules, depreciation is allowable 10,000. When it is allowable 10,000, then you have to disallow the depreciation which is given in the PNL. Okay. So in the PNL, how much is the depreciation that is given?
9,500,
You
ma'am.
have to disallow this first. Write down depreciation 9,500 in the disallowed section. In the disallowed section, you have to write depreciation 9,500 inner column. Wait, don't allow it now. Don't allow it now. We will allow it once we will come to that section. Okay. Next, traveling expenses allowable. See, the word allowable is very, very important. Once it is allowable, it is given as allowable. First step is to disallow the whole expense that is given in the PNL. What is the expenses, traveling expenses in the PNL?
2,000, ma'am.
That is to be disallowed completely first. That is the first step. Write down traveling expenses, inner column 2000, disallowed section. Traveling expenses 2000 disallowed. Okay, we will allow it, don't worry. But when we come to that particular area, section. Next, fourth adjustment. Interest include 3,000 paid to Miss Jaya out of India on which no tax has been deducted at source. Interest. Now see, the word interest was given here in the expenses, 4,000. This amount of interest is paid. Sorry, total interest is 4,000 in the PNL. But how much is paid to Miss Jaya? How much is paid to Miss Jaya?
3,000, ma'am.
3,000. But she was living outside India. And if she lives in outside India, okay, that's okay. You can pay them interest. That's okay. But you have to deduct tax at source. And you have not deducted the tax at source. If you have not deducted, the expenses will be disallowed. The expenses will be disallowed. Tell me, how much will be disallowed? 3,000, 4,000 or 1,000? How much will be disallowed?
3,000.
Very good, 3,000, which is not allowable. Why it is not allowable? Because no tax has been deducted at source. Write down interest to Miss Jaya. Next item in the section of disallowed, interest paid to Miss Jaya. Now write down in the bracket, no tax has been deducted at source. No tax has been deducted at source. So in the inner column 3000. All the adjustments are done. In the inner column 3000. Now next heading is, look at our next heading. Our next
Ma'am,
heading
total?
is, get me the total of inner column.
Ma'am, 25,300.
So here it would be 25,000. What?
300, ma'am.
300. Okay. 25,300. Okay. Next. Now next heading is the one that I'm highlighting. Less expenses allowable. Where do we need to find it?
Ma'am, adjustments.
Adjustments. So let us look at adjustments. Let us look at adjustments. See, salary include paid to Mr. Balan. This was to be disallowed. Okay, we had done it. Disallowed, we have done it. Depreciation is 10,000. Yes, this is to be allowed. Write down depreciation, inner column 10,000. Depreciation, inner column 10,000. Next, traveling expenses allowable. This is also to be allowed. Write down traveling expenses allowable, inner column 1,100. 1,100. Okay, these are the only two expenses that we need to allow. The fourth adjustment is for disallowing, and we have done it. 3,000 was to be disallowed, and we have done it. So only two expenses were there that we need to allow. Tell me the total of all these two. Tell me the
Ma'am,
total of
11,100.
11,100 outer column, but in the bracket. In the
Yes,
bracket, because we need to less, because we need to deduct. Okay. Next heading. Less incomes not shown, not to be shown or related to other heads. Less incomes not to be shown or related to other heads. Where we need to find it? Can you tell me?
ma'am,
Credit
credit
side.
side plus adjustments.
Very good. Credit side. We have only two things on the credit side. One is gross profit. Never look at gross profit. This is not, I mean, it is just a carry forward from trading account. So gross profit is not of any use. Look at the next point, sales tax refund. Always remember the word refund is never an income. See, refund means what? Once you, the first time you spent 10,000 rupees, you paid sales tax 10,000, and government is giving you 10,000 back. So पहले आपकी पॉकेट से 10,000 गया और फिर आपके पॉकेट में 10,000 वापस आ गया, तो क्या ये इनकम हुई? नहीं. क्या ये एक्सपेंस हुआ? नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. आपने मेरे नाम पे खर्चा किया 500 का. ओके, यू स्पेंड 500 फॉर मी. ओके, योर एक्सपेंस. आपके पॉकेट से गया तो आपका एक्सपेंस हुआ, लेकिन but I am giving it back to you. Once I give it back to you, your pocket is filled by 500 rupees again. So is that your expense? No. Is that your income? No. Are you getting my point? Refund is
Yes,
never
ma'am.
an income. Refund means पहले आप खर्चा करो फिर मैं आपको भर के दूंगी. तो 10,000 पहले आपने खर्चा किया और उसके बाद मैंने आपको पे बैक कर दिया, पे कर दिया. तो आपके लिए तो ना एक्सपेंस हुआ ना इनकम हुआ, पर इसने इनकम में दिखाया है. इसने इनकम में दिखाया है. दिस इज नॉट योर इनकम. दैट इज व्हाई वी नीड टू डिस्कार्ड इट. वी नीड टू रिमूव दिस इनकम. To remove the income, we need to deduct. Write down. In this heading, less income not to be shown. Write down the first item, sales tax refund. Now wait. I think this is the only amount which has to be shown. Read out the adjustments also. Come to the adjustments. Is there any other income which is shown here? Is there any income that is shown in the adjustment?
No.
I think all are expenses: salary, depreciation, traveling, interest. These all are expense. These were all our expenses. These were the expenses that that are given here. All are the expenses. No income is given in the adjustments. When no income is given in the adjustment, there is only one sales tax refund. And if it is only one, you have to put it in the outer column. Put it in the outer column 10,000 and you have to use the bracket. Why you have to use the bracket? Why you have to use the bracket?
लेस होएगा ना मैम?
Yes,
Ma'am,
very
less.
good. Because it is to be deducted. Next item, add incomes to be shown. Add incomes to be shown. Where do we need to find it?
Adjustments, ma'am.
Yes, only the adjustments. And can you see all the adjustments are regarding expenses. No income is given in the adjustment. Can you see it? Can you see no adjustment is given for the incomes? All the adjustments are related to the expenses. Write down nil. Write down nil and get me the final total.
Ma'am, 2,44,200.
Okay. 2,44,200. Okay, so we are done with the with this question also. Okay, we will continue in the next lecture, and meanwhile please keep revising, and if you have not attended yesterday's lecture, revise it, listen to the recordings, and then we will continue tomorrow's lecture. Is it okay?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Bye, ma'am.
okay. Bye everybody, take care.
Bye मैम.
Bye everybody, bye.